तो दोस्तों, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। आज इस वीडियो में हम उड़ीसा स्टेट के कुछ फेमस विजिटिंग प्लेसेस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और ये वीडियो का पहला पार्ट है। आगे देखने के लिए चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। धन्यवाद। तो पहले अनुगुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बात करते हैं। पहला, रेंगाली डैम। इट इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टेड अक्रॉस द ब्राह्मणी रिवर इन रेंगाली विलेज एंड ओपन फ्रॉम 1985. The dam is 70.5 meter tall and 1040 meter wide. Then Kosala Ramachandi Temple. Ma Ramachandi Temple is situated at Kosala village, Anugur. The village is known for its shrine dedicated to goddess Ramachandi. Next, Deulzhari. It is the ancient citadel of Shaivism located in Deulzhari village, Anugur. It is known for a hot spring and a very old ancient Shiva Sri Siddheshwar Baba temple. Goddess Hingula. It is situated on the bank of the river Simhada, Angul. Both Hindus and Muslims worship at this holy place, which is unique in nature. Saila Shikhetra. It is situated on the top of Sunasagar hill. The foundation of this grand temple was given on 21st February 1996 to build the temple like the model of world famous Lord Jagannath Temple of Puri. नेक्स्ट आते हैं बालेश्वर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। तो पहला है पंचलिंगेश्वर टेम्पल। इट नेम्ड आफ्टर द 5 शिवलिंगा दैट आर एंसेंट इनसाइड. द टेम्पल इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ ए हिलक नियर द नीलगिरी हिल. खीरोचोरा गोपीनाथ टेम्पल. It is in Remuna, Baleshwar. The reference of the temple is to child Krishna's love for milk and milk products. Chandipur. It is the location of the Indian Strategic Forces Command's ITR at Abdul Kalam Island. Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary. The sanctuary is spread across 272.75 square kilometer in the Chotnagpur Plateau region. It is linked with Similipal National Park via the Sukhupada and Nato Hill ranges. Next, Imami Jagannath Temple. This temple is a wonderful architectural model with red stone constructed by Imami, which attracts a good number of visitors to this place. The Imami Jagannath Temple appears as if it has been built on the wheels of a big chariot. चलिए बरगढ़ की ओर। पहला, बौद्ध विहार ऑफ गणियापल्ली. A rare Buddha statue sitting in lotus posture with a snake on his head with its hood expanded used to attract tourists. But this rare monument was stolen from the spot in 2007 and it is yet to be traced. Papanga Mountain and Buddha Raja. There is a temple in the outskirts of the village Papanga and at the foot of the mountain in which Buddha Raja is worshipped. There is a beautiful forest garden named Bangkhol on it. Giri Govardhan. The Dekulba town is popular for Giri Govardhan, a decent visiting spot. It is an observer to the well-known Krishna cult of Odisha. The spot is named after Lord Krishna, who is accepted to have lifted the mountain Govardhan for the prosperity of his king. Nrsinghanath Temple. It is a famous visiting place of Bargarh district which belongs to the Barasambar kingdom of the past, now known as the Padmapur subdivision. The temple is situated at the bottom of the Gandhamardhan mountain which is approximately 3 to 3-4 feet high. भद्रक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पहला जो है बाबा अखंडमणि टेम्पल. This famous temple, the abode of Lord Shiva, is located in the bank of river Vaitarani at Aradi. This place is also linked to Chandvali by boat through the river Vaitarani. In January 2009, the Women and Child Development Minister of Odisha was objected by the Sevayatas for desecrating the temple since she comes from a lower caste. Biranchi Narayan Temple. Today, the standing Biranchi Narayan Temple stands as evidence of the heritage of Surya Upasana in Odisha. Mujahid-e-Millat. Dargah-e-Huzur. Mujahid-e-Millat located in Dhamnagar, Bhadrak. बलांगीर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो पहला है भीमा डूंगरी. It has been attributed with a special place in the tourism map of the Balangir district due to its splendorous natural bounty and beauty, which is encircled by evergreen forest. Kumuda Pahad. It is a natural splendorous place of great tourism interest. The essence of the place is significant due to the existence of Lord Sri Ram temple in its vicinity. Turikela. It is a place suitable for group adventurism and important for viewing colorful wildlife like tigers, deers, bears, foxes, elephants, wild birds, etc. Gaikhai MIV. It is a place of great scenic beauty, surrounded by green capped hills on three sides. The watermass here dazzles with natural scenery and offers cool breeze to the visitors. Jogi Sharada. It is believed that all wishes are fulfilled who worship the Jogeshwar Mahadev. The linga of Jogeshwar Mahadev arouses spontaneously, for which it is known as the living god. बौद्ध डिस्ट्रिक्ट में रामेश्वर टेम्पल. दिस स्टार शेप्ड टेम्पल ऑफ बौद्ध dedicated to Paschim Somnath, Bhubaneswar and Dhabaleshwar Shiv occupy an important place in the spectrum of medieval Odishan temple architecture. These temples are standing inside the compound of Rameshwar temple, which belongs to late period. Padmatola Sanctuary. The majestic Satkosya Gorge with its lush green forests and rich wildlife is located towards the end of this sanctuary. The place is ideal for boating and other adventure sports. कटक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पहला है नेताजी बर्थ प्लेस म्यूजियम. It is located in Udiya Bazar in the city of Cuttack. It is an ancestral house of Subhash Chandra Bose. Odisha State Maritime Museum. The museum is by for Millennium City Cuttack's best tourist attraction. The Maritime Museum came up in the old dilapidated complex of river boat construction and repair workshop constructed during the British era. Cuttack Chandi Temple. It is an ancient temple dedicated to the goddess Chandi, the presiding deity of Cuttack, Odisha. The temple is located nearby the banks of the Mahanadi river and famous for the annual Durga Puja and Kali Puja. Dhabaleshwar Temple. It is dedicated to the worship of Lord Shiva. It is said King Purushottam Dev established the temple in the middle of the river Mahanadi so that his queen Padmavati could worship Shiva. Barwati Stadium. It is an Indian sports stadium used mostly for cricket and association football, and also sometimes for concerts and field hockey. The stadium is owned and operated by the Odisha Cricket Association.